Hello and welcome back to the SKUSavvy YouTube channel. Today we're going through an exciting new feature which is going to allow you to bulk allocate inventory to your bins. So in order to utilize this feature, you first need to make sure that you have already connected a Shopify store with your SKUSavvy account, which is going to bring over your inventory. And you'll see that most of the inventory comes like this, where you have a quantity and it needs an assignment of a bin. So from here, we're going to go into the warehouse that we want to bulk allocate, navigate into your inventory, and then you can simply, if you come in and you notice that the bins look like this, then you can just click on bulk allocate. You may also notice that your products look similar to this, which is putting all of the variants underneath the parent product name here. So just make sure to cycle over to the flattened list view and then click on bulk allocate. And from here, you can notice that this has pre-selected all of the product that needs to be allocated. At this point, you can enter any kind of filters that you want to narrow the list down. So including a specific SKU search or name search, product type, price, tags for the products. All of these can be narrowed down, and whatever is filtered will be allocated to the bin. So if we wanted to, we could allocate all of these products. And I'm going to go ahead and just allocate our Savvy product. So I've now narrowed this down and I'm going to select my bin, or you could scan the bin certainly. And this is going to enable us to come in and allocate this product. So now we have allocated that product. You can see it's gone from our list. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and allocate all of the product, we would just simply select or scan the bin and click on allocate, and that would move all of the products from this list to your bin. Hopefully that helps you get up and running faster with SKUSavvy. As always, we appreciate your support on the channel. Make sure you get your free SKUSavvy account, app.skusavvy.com/register, and we'll see you on the next one.